Hi, I am Dane Thomas. I am going to explain the concept of classes in PHP. First of all, what is a class? A class is a user-defined data type that contains variables, local data, and functions. A class is a template for objects, and an object is an instance of a class. Classes can be considered as a collection of methods, variables, and constants. You declare a class only once, but you can instantiate as many versions of it as can be contained in memory. An instance of a class is usually referred to as an object. Now let's see how we can define a class. A class definition in PHP is similar to a function declaration, but instead of using the keyword function, we have to use the keyword class. The syntax for defining a class is given in the slide. This is an example of showing the usage of class in a program. In this example, there is a class named user which has variables $name and $roll number and a public function named details which returns the values of the variables. Objects. Classes are nothing without objects. We can create multiple objects from a class. Each object has all the properties and methods defined in the class, but they will have different property values. Objects of a class are created using the new keyword. This is an example showing an object creation. $user equal to new user. This is a statement which creates a new object. $user is the name of the object, and this object can be used to access all the variables and functions of the class user. Now let's see what is constructor and destructor. A constructor and a destructor are special functions which are automatically called when an object is created or destroyed. The constructor is the most useful of the two, especially because it allows you to set parameters along when creating a new object, which can then be used to initialize variables on the object. The construct function. A constructor allows you to initialize an object's properties upon creation of the object. If you create a construct function, PHP will automatically call this function when you create an object from a class. That means we don't have to explicitly call the function. It will automatically call at the time of object creation. The construct function starts with two underscores. This is an example showing the usage of a constructor. This program has a constructor that returns the value of the variable $name, and this function gets automatically invoked at the time of object creation, that is $animal equal to new animal Bob the dog. This statement is the object creating statement, and it will automatically call the constructor function. Now let's see destructor. A destructor is called when the object is destructed or the script is stopped or exited. If you create a destruct function, PHP will automatically call this function at the end of the script. The destruct function also starts with two underscores. This is an example showing the usage of destructor. This is all about classes in PHP. Thank you.